penguin? In the cold Antarctic sunshine, where the icy ocean ends, lived a family of penguins with all their penguin friends. There were fat ones, there were thin ones, there were penguins short and tall, but little penguin Pip-Pip was the smallest one of all. This is Pip-Pip.
Pip-Pip penguin.
And while the other penguins were out swimming wild and free, little Pip-Pip played alone, too frightened of the sea. Look, this is little Pip-Pip, so scared. Names like Scared Pip-Pip sometimes echoed in his ears. He was sad and was lonely, but he couldn't show his tears. That's why he is turning around. What's the matter, Pip-Pip? Said his daddy one fine day. You can't be scared of water. What a silly thing to say. Be gentle, said his mommy, taking Pip-Pip by the hand. Look what is the hand. We all have certain fears that might be hard to understand. Come on, little Pip-Pip, dip your toes in here, just so. The water's calm and still now. Do it slow, have a go. But what if it's all freezing? Mommy, what if I get in and it's too dark and deep for me? And what if I can't swim? And what if there's a monsters there who smell me from their den and they slither up and eat me and I'm never seen again? He's so scared. This is the mommy.
And this is the daddy.
Yeah. I understand, my darling, said his mommy with a kiss. But Pip-Pip, what if now you try to think of it like this? What if in the water there are friends for you to meet? And what if it is light and warm and full of fish to eat? Look, lots of fish.
Why he eat a fish?
There are penguins. That's their food. Take my hand, my darling. Here, just try it and you'll see. Please trust me, little Pip-Pip. Come, be brave now, just for me. See? Slowly, Pip-Pip made his way towards the water's edge. He stared down at the ocean from the slippery, icy ledge. Then he looked back to his mommy, and as his small heart thumped, he closed his eyes, he held his breath, and little Pip-Pip, jump! Splash like this, jump! Splash! For a while, his mommy waited. Then she cried out, something's wrong. Pip-Pip, please, where are you? You've been under way too long. So she leaped into the ocean, diving deep into the blue. Then suddenly from nowhere came a little voice she knew. Mommy, over here. Hey, Mommy, look at me. I'm swimming. Mommy, swimming. Look, I'm swimming. Can you see? She turned and spinning circles through the water, bright and clean, swam Pip-Pip with the biggest smile the world has ever seen. And as she watched her little one Right there before her eyes, he burst up through the surface. And he soared into the sky. Whee! Woohoo! Cried little Pip-Pip. Hey, look, Mommy, I can fly. It's really not that tricky. You should try it, Mommy. Try. Oh, Pip-Pip laughed his mommy as she watched him with a grin. I don't know about flying, but oh my, you've learned to swim. Then his friends all gathered round as Pip-Pip landed with a bound. Said sometimes all you have to do is just be brave. And jump. The end.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.